Hi family and friends. Today I thought I would show you what I've learned while doing the Pysanky eggs. They all start by dividing the egg into sections, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And then this is where you start whenever you're going to do a Pysanky egg, because once you get your sections done, then you can put whatever design or patterns within the sections. So the way I start, I have this sticky tape, and I just start at the hole at the bottom, and then I want to go all the way around, and I want to, they call this the infinity line, is what was shared. So as I go around, I come and match up to the other end, and then I'm going to tear it off, put this on so I can know where to start again, and I just use the same tape. So this looks pretty good. You know, it's never going to be exact. And then I take my pencil and I go along this edge here, starting from the bottom center so I know where to end. And this is your first line. Now you've divided it in half. Well, you want to do it again going the other direction. So you've divided it in half this way. Now you're going to divide it in half going this way. So I do the same thing. I start where the hole is at the bottom. I'm going to start this bottom hole, and I'm going to draw my line. Now you can see that the egg has been divided in half going this way and in half going this way. So now what we're going to do is we're going to divide it in half going around the middle. Again, using the same sticky tape, I find what looks to be the middle. If you want to be precise, you can get a ruler out, but I'm not that precise. So now I'm going to just start drawing my line going all the way around that center line. And I use my tape over and over and over again. So now you see you've got sections, and from these sections you can start designing your pattern, draw your pattern on. So but this is where it starts. If you can see the line going this way, the line going this way, and the line through the middle. And then in each section, it just makes it really easy to break down the pattern. So I hope this helps you, and I hope you try it. It really is a lot of fun. I am so enjoying this folk art craft. It's just beautiful and interesting and amazing to me, and I love the unveiling of it at the end. It gets exciting when all that black wax disappears, and then you've got this beautiful pattern underneath because you're just not sure how it's going to turn out. Anyway, make it a gorgeous day every day. Till next time, bye.